Time to make the tea chest. This was voted for by backers. So I'm just adding glue to the side flaps. I folded it using the crease folder really tightly. There are no guideline spaces. Trying to get as much glue as possible. And I'm going to use a combination of things to push these together. So I'm just going to place that and that edge there. And I'm going to use a little glue block, Lego block, glue block. Push the flaps in place. Again, the wonderful thing about Pritt Stick, and you know I'm a fan, is that you can move things around after you've stuck it for a little while, just a little period of time. I've noticed that that's not sticking particularly well at the top. I'm just going to give it a little bit more, using my nail underneath, pushing that flap in place and that flap in place, and then again using the Lego block to really push those flaps so that they are embedded. And now I'm going to push out the middles of these flaps as it tends to help with purchase. So I'm going to put glue all along the edges of the top flap. There we go. I'm going to close it. And it's quite tight. Obviously you can't connect it up particularly well, but if you squeeze the sides, they tend to stick quite well. And there is our tea chest, ready for decoration.